Hello and welcome. My name is Bernd Engist. I am the Chief Evangelist here at Avantra, and I'll be talking you through the news around our latest release, Avantra 26. Here is what's in Avantra 26.
Let me talk you through a few of the highlights.
Many of you watching this have heard about SAP's Keep the Core Clean strategy. The idea is to move extensions and innovations out to the cloud. And for SAP customers, the first go-to platform for that is, of course, SAP BTP. Which means modern SAP estates aren't just ECC, S4, and HANA anymore. They are BTP too. And if BTP is where your innovation lives, you need to be able to monitor and operate it with the same rigor as your core. With the Avantra 26, we're bringing deep observability of BTP services with automatic discovery and setup.
Everything you see in this orange box on the right will be available with the launch of Avantra 26.
And the real good thing is, and what makes it really powerful, this BTP content is delivered over the air, which means we can maintain and extend this content independently from the core Avantra release. No upgrade is required. You get instant, one-click and rapid updates, observability that moves at the speed of cloud innovation. But observability is only half the story. Avantra 26 also brings automation to your BTP landscape. Manage destinations, handle BTP user management, renew certificates, optimize integration suite costs, and control Cloud Foundry. Stop, start, scale, manage quotas, all from within Avantra. Whether you prefer no-code or pro-code, the entire Cloud Foundry Controller API is at your fingertips. Avantra is in the platform for BTP operations automation. And now, let's have a look at it in action and go to the product. Now let us have a quick look how the BTP integration looks in Avantra 26. You go to Systems BTP, and then you will find as a first entry point the global accounts. When you open these global accounts, you will find the sub-accounts. And this is all happening automatically, right? So the only thing you need is a service URL, some credentials, and off you go. And within the global account, you will find checks like costs, or you will as well figure out for the account usage, etc. So this is all on global account level, and this is as it was before. Now, the new thing is that we have more available on sub-account level. For example, here you see the checks which have already exist, but you as well see here this category new custom check. This is something added via our add-in library, so over-the-air content. And in the inventory, you will figure out as well that within the sub-account, we now better enumerate the Cloud Foundry applications, manage BTP systems, which you see here above in the tree as well, and as well as service instances and service descriptions very nicely listed as a BTP administrator would expect. Now, the real advantage is that you have this end-to-end, that you can combine this everything within dashboards, etc., and automations too. Now, let us have a look at what we deliver in terms of the add-in library. If we go there and look for all the BTP-related plugins, we will find all these add-ins which are new with Avantra 26. So when you add these add-ins, you will later have additional checks, custom checks available for your deployment in your environment. Let us have a look at this one. And again, if I press new here, if I filter for BTP here, you will find all these custom check types which have been brought into this Avantra instance via the add-in library. Now let us have a look at some of these checks in action. One is called BTP sub-account. Let me type this correctly. For example, sub-account users. Yeah. And this custom check type is now rolled out to many different accounts here. Let us show the checks. For example, you will find that this check will give you all inactive users and users which have never logged on. Very interesting from compliance and auditing perspective, because surely you should clean up here. What else is with BTP? So let us have a look at the automations. Again, I'm going to the add-in library. And you will find as well here the Cloud Foundry automations. If I double click this, you will find a lot of different steps available and workflows available for this in this add-in. Yeah, and let us go to the workflows. And if I filter for BTP Cloud Foundry's app, you will find all these workflows ready to use to do BTP Cloud Foundry automation. Let us double click on this one. And you will find here, for example, executions, how I myself have started and stopped an application in BTP most recently. Now, why does this matter to you? If you're investing in BTP, and most SAP customers soon will be, you're building your future innovation on a platform that, until now, was a blind spot in your operations. Customer-facing extensions, integration flows, API endpoints. If any of these go down, your business feels it immediately. Avantra 26 closes that gap. You get a single operational view across your entire landscape, core and cloud, without needing to bolt on a separate monitoring stack. That means fewer surprises, faster response times, and the confidence that your cloud investment is protected from day one. And because we can automate BTP operations, from certificate renewals to cost optimization to Cloud Foundry management, every manual task that doesn't scale and every human error that could creep in is taken off your team's plate. For managed service providers, this is the difference between managing BTP profitably and managing it at a loss.
Avantra is purpose-built for SAP, anywhere SAP runs. Avantra, now you're really running.